नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं संध्या सिंह, एस्ट्रोलॉजर, टैरो कार्ड रीडर एंड एज वेल मोटिवेशनल। आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी द हीरोफेंट कार्ड के बारे में। मेजर अरकाना का ये कार्ड नंबर 5 है और आप जानते हैं कि 5 नंबर कार्ड किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है। अगर आप टैरो कार्ड सीख रहे हैं तो आपको समझना होगा कार्ड की हर एक टर्म्स, एलिमेंट्स, सिंबल्स के बारे में। आपको कलर के बारे में भी समझना होगा, आपको हर एक चीज़ के बारे में समझना होगा। हीरोफेंट आप कार्ड देखेंगे तो इस कार्ड में दिस कार्ड टिपिकली डिपिक्ट टू अ फिगर ड्रेस्ड इन रिलीजियस अटायर, यूजली रेड white robes. His arms are always open, indicated that he is eager to receive knowledge from the universe. One hand faces heaven, representing the spiritual influence on our lives, while is the other point towards the floor, indicating earthy matter. The Hierophant is the connection between the two. In the glided deck, the Hierophant stands before a beautifully decorated stained glass window. With the moon reflected in the background, this symbolizes meditation and reflective wisdom. In tarot, the number 5 represents self reflection, wisdom, and the need for balance. The Hierophant is a representation of a belief system of the querent, typically their religious faith. It can indicate ceremony, traditional, and spiritual connection, depending on the context. It can also suggest charitable involvement. When this card appears in a spread, it often tells the querent they can expect from a wise and trusted figure in their lives, such as a teacher, mentor, or respected religious figure. Pay close attention to the surrounding card in the spread, as they can give clue about the nature of that figure's involvement. This can also refer to a location or institution as well as person. These places include hospitals, universities, or other educational facilities, as well as government organization or house of worship. In the extreme, it can suggest a person or an organization that is resistance to change or to new and modern ways of thinking. The Hierophant represent traditional value and morals. The Lover card. The Lover card, the image depicted on the lover varies dramatically from deck to deck. In the Rider Waite deck, two naked figures are shown in the foreground, palms outstretched, and no sense of shame on their faces. An angel looms overhead. Its palms also outstretches. The picture represents comfort, being open to choices and connections and a sense of feeling whole. In the glided deck, the lover shows two figures in a state of romantic and physical bliss. The male and female figure are surrounded by water, symbolizing emotions. Golden light shine down from the heaps, representing an aura of love. The number of 6 represent wholeness, completeness, and a perfect balance. The lover represents physical attraction, love, and the relationship between soulmate. This card can also symbolize action and people that make the querent feel whole or important choices that the querent need to make. Context is crucial whenever the lover appears in a spread, so be sure you are familiar with the remaining cards in the deck before attempting a reading. On its surface, the card portrays harmony. It appears in a spread means that the querent is looking for a sense of belonging, either in a romantic relationship or in the whole world at large. Your querent may be a seeking answer with the respect to the state of their relationship. Whenever two people commit themselves to one another on a extended period, they must be able to grow together lest they grow apart. The presence of the lovers in a spread may be to give the querent guidance about how to keep the relationship together. Now, next card is the Chariot card. A woman riding a chariot led by two sphinxes in opposite colors. It is usually depicted on this card, regardless of the type of deck. This image represents opposing faces coming together. It is important to note that the chariot does not seem to be a motions representing stalled plans or unfilled unfilled potential. In this glided deck, the woman is not staring straight ahead as one would expect a driver to be. Instead, she seems preoccupied, glancing off to the side. This image emphasizes the need to remain focused on your goals if you are to succeed. The seven number represent consistency, consistency in a chaotic world. This card can have a slightly different meaning depending on the question posed. The current state of mind and the surrounding card. In most cases, the chariot is a triumphant card, meaning may need to overcome obstacle, though well discipline, focus, and perseverance. When this card appear in a spread, it is often indicate a state of inner conflict. The querent may feel confused about which direction to take to move forward or may be focused on too many projects at once. Remind the querent that the chariot encourages them to pick a path and work hard to carry on. Indecisions lead to nowhere. Qualities represented by this card include willpower and determination. This card tells the querent to take life by the reins and charge ahead. Good things come to those who work for them. The presence of this card should give your querent to the push they need. The strength card. This card number is seventh number card. The image on strength is another one that varies depending on the deck you choose. In the rider deck, a figure, typically a young boy, it shows petting a red lion. The lion does not seem to fear the figure or have any negative emotions. Instead, it looks as though the figure is confronting the lions as a would a dog or other household pet. In this glided egg, young woman is the shown walking beside a lion. She seems focused, graceful, and purposeful. The lion is a large and fierce looking, but is keeping pace with the maiden, implying that she has tamed him. While the lion is wearing a chain, the woman's not holding it tight. In tarot, the number 8 represents inspiration, the cycle of the life, and having faith in the universe to provide. Strength represents qualities such as patience and diplomacy, as well as courage and self confidence. This card tells the querent that can succeed in their endeavors. All it takes to be cultivate and draw upon your inner strength. This card can represent strength in career matters, but also matter of the heart. Parents with important questions relating to their relationship status may be happy to see this card. If your parent seems exhausted and this card appears in a reading, you may want to caution them to start a self-care regime. Inner strength is not a infinite; it must be a replenished from time to time if we are to achieve any measure of success in life.